When I die, when my coffin is being taken out, you must never think I am missing this world. Don't shed any tears. Don't lament or feel sorry. I'm not fallen into a monster's abyss. When you see my corpse is being carried, don't cry for my leaving. I'm not leaving. I'm arriving at eternal love. When you leave me in the grave, don't say goodbye. Remember, a grave is only a curtain for the paradise behind. You will only see me descending into a grave. Now watch me rise. How can there be an end when the sun sets or the moon goes down? It looks like the end. It seems like a sunset. But in reality, it is a dawn. When the grave locks you up, that is when your soul is freed. Have you ever seen a seed fall into earth, not rise with a new life? Why? Why should you doubt the rise of a seed named human? Have you ever seen a bucket lowered into a well, coming back empty? Then why lament for a soul? And why lament for a soul when it can come back? Like Joseph from the well. When for the last time you close your mouth, your words and soul, your words and soul will belong to the world of no place, no time. When I die, don't shed any tears.